Alrighty then, so here's what we got now. I want you to watch that, and I want you to tell me what the hell that shit is on the floor, would you? Try again. It just ain't doing what I wanted it to do, and it still ain't doing it because it ain't doing what I wanted it to do the first time, so it ain't doing it the 18th time either. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you my beautiful face again. How do I do that? There it is! God damn it! Holy shit! So anyway, get out of here. Don't bother me. But let me show you this fine damn automobile. Again, not many got a fine automobile like a 2005. God damn it, you need to shut the hell up. Now the damn ringer ain't stopping even the key out of it. It's a fine automobile. This thing just puts out about 382,000 horsepower. This thing does a quarter mile in like 8 seconds. And that's in reverse only. Because forward it's like 2.5 seconds. And that's at 322 miles per hour. This thing is not the show that don't have to be the show. Because the show ain't hitting my goddamn little cart with a freaking tripod. Anyway, see, it's got the race alloys on it. So that makes it faster. And right over here, this aerodynamics. That aerodynamics, what that does is that creates the wind to be afraid of the goddamn car. It goes, oh my God, I'm afraid of the goddamn car. And this thing, I'll tell you what, if RoboCop's gonna drive one of these, yes sir, you too can drive one of these fine automobiles. Fine automobile. It ain't no Chevy, it ain't that fine. It ain't no Dodge. Sure as hell ain't no Ram. So it's what I call a fucked over, it's reconditioned, and I believe that Dodge made it first year. So, fine automobile's gonna be running. I just want to show you what the hell I'm stuck with. Y'all wish me luck.